hot Cheetos and French. Oh no, not good. Let me try. That might be a new thing. Different. Oh, alright. It might be a new thing.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a new segment and it's going to be called Cooking with Kelsey. I hope you guys enjoyed this segment. But I want to start off by saying we hit 1K, everybody. So I just want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed to my channel, who supports me, who watches my videos and leave comments down below. So thank you guys so much for all of your support. Whew, I feel like I can't talk. We hit 1K, period. Who you know? Who you know? I know a lot of people. Anyway, I have a surprise guest for you guys, and it is none other than my twin sister. Hey y'all, thank you for having me. Thank you for joining our channel. This is our guest, and we're so happy to have you. We hope you know how to fry some chicken. Hopefully. Are you from the South or what? I hope you can, right? I hope you can fry some chicken, and I hope you are ready to eat an amazing food. Yes. Thank you for being my first guest on Cooking with Kelsey. Yeah, I just wanted to have a guest. This is my identical twin sister. We are 5 minutes apart, so she came out first. Period. What you doing? Come on now. Come on now. We're also going to be cooking, we're going to be making Flamin' Hot mozzarella sticks as well. So y'all stay tuned for the very end of the video just to see how it all come out. And also if you want to see how we like it or how it tastes or whatever, our honest opinions, stay tuned for the end of the video so y'all can see. But without further ado, let's get into this video. So we have our gloves. If y'all see this white, I cut my finger trying to cut the chicken earlier today, so I just got this on here because I'm projecting, I ain't got no band-aids. So this is this, and then gloves. So we have our Flamin' Hot Cheetos. We have the chicken. What you got? Mozzarella cheese. So we also have buttermilk. Yes. We got our grease. Eat the grease. We have a small carton of eggs, grade 8. We got your Slap Your Mama sauce for our seasoning. And so we also have the onion powder, cayenne pepper, and garlic powder. So we have all our ingredients. We do have our grease warming in the back, already ready to go. Yeah. We also have the blender so we could blend up our hot Cheetos to make it really, really fine. Right. So that is what we're going to do. I forgot one more thing. All-purpose flour, y'all. Don't forget your flour. It's important. Or whatever. So first I'm gonna use Slap Your Mama. Just put as much as you think you may want. So now, after the seasoning has already been placed and put where it needs to go and how much, we're gonna add some buttermilk to the chicken and let it just like marinate. After you put your buttermilk on your chicken, you want to just let this sit. We just letting it marinate. So next up, we're gonna add our eggs for like an egg mixture. I cracked that egg ugly. Beaten egg. You just beat it. Oh, you just whip it. And you whip it real good, just like that. So this is the consistency your egg should look like, and this is the color it should be. So as best as you can, whip it good. So next, I'm just gonna add some flour to the bowl. Nothing too crazy because y'all, we don't want our chicken to be floury. We want it to be coated with hot Cheetos and not flour. So I just got a little bit of flour to my pan, about that much. You can kind of eyeball it and go add more if you need more. So here is our hot Cheetos. This is the fun part. We gotta blend this up. Crunch them before you blend them so you can have room in your blender to blend them all. Yes. Right. Can I have one? It's about to be good. I like how she rolls. It just makes it. Can you crunch? Literally as best as you could crunch it. And eating the chips, making a mess. She about to die. I think this should be enough. Yeah, so my blender mine better than yours. So put that blender in there. Put that in the blender. Come with me as I blend these hot Cheetos. Come on, follow me, camera. Good job, Kelsey. That's it? Great. You think? Yeah, perfect, because I don't want it to be too smooth, but I don't want it to be too lumpy. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, it might be good. So this is what you want your consistency to be. So now we have our cheese. I'm gonna just open up a few packs of cheese. Oh my God, oh my goodness. So now that we have everything set and ready to go for our assembly line, yeah, we're gonna take the chicken and just go through each little section that we have until everything's done. And then we're gonna just plate it and it's gonna be ready to fry. Yes. So you wanna just take your chicken and lightly flour it. Lightly. Oh, like not too crazy. Is that enough? Yeah, and just dust it off. That's too much. Okay, dust it and dust it off. And now it's going into your egg wash, and she's gonna do that. So you don't even need to dip that long. Yeah, because it's not a lot of flour. This is what you want to have it coated in as best as you can. Wow, Kelly, you're doing actually a really good job. Thank you, I'm a pro. Oh my God, not deaf enough. So this is the assembly line for the mozzarella sticks. I probably need some more egg, but that's all right because we only got 3 more mozzarella sticks left. And you don't really need them that wet. Yeah. These, they just gonna get fried like this. Wow, that looks amazing. I think I'm the best at this. You were the best fit for this job. Y'all put down below in the comments who you think is the best at doing this assembly line. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
It's a team effort.
It's not a team effort, actually. Look at that. Look at the technique. You add a little bit more. Technique. And oh, look at the
First you do this, and then this, and then this, and then this.
So our chicken is nicely, beautifully coated, and we're just gonna put it into our fryer. Uh-oh, there it is. There you go. I think I'm gonna do about 4, or you think 3? 4. Okay, you got that? Wow, this is about to be amazing.
In the meantime, while the chicken frying, I'm gonna just use our Cheetos because I literally bought 3 bags and we ain't need but 2.
So next up is the mozzarella sticks. I already fried some mozzarella sticks, so that's what you see in the fryer. And here we go. You don't have to cook these for too long at all. Final results. Let's cheers to making this chicken, and I'm tired and I'm hungry. Cling cling. So we have some wine, but we are gonna taste our chicken and mozzarella sticks for you guys. Yeah, I'm ready. You ready? Yeah. I hope it's not hot. I don't taste no hot Cheeto. Tastes like fried chicken with no hot Cheeto. You don't taste no hot Cheeto? No, girl. If I eat one of these, I'm gonna taste it. But I can't taste hot Cheeto. Is it good? What would you give it? I would give it a 6 out of 10. And I would possibly give it, you don't like it? I like it. It just tastes like chicken. Like, maybe we didn't season it enough. And I was trying to, and you didn't let me. Like, oh, I was nervous. It's not even about the seasoning of the chicken. It's about, I was expecting it to be like flaming hot. Like, I wanted it to be spicy. So, ooh, you know what we could have did? Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper. I was gonna say like some kind of buffalo, something to make it like a spice. Because in my mind, hot Cheetos, I'm like, ooh, it's supposed to be hot. So if I eat a chip with the chicken, that gives me the vibe that I was looking for, the flavor that I was looking for. But it's still good. It's chicken is chicken, you know. Okay, now we're gonna try the mozzarella sticks. You don't gotta fry these long because they was busting out. It was busting out. Cheers. Wait, it didn't ooze. Hold on, let me show you how it oozed. Wow. Ooh, this is good. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. There's some ranch. That's really good though. I like that. I don't know what it tastes like. It tastes good though. I actually really like the mozzarella. The mozzarella than the chicken. And I definitely taste the hot Cheetos. Not bad. Not bad. I'm gonna try another chicken just to try it. Oh, another thing we could have did was we could have made a buttermilk flaming hot like sauce and let it marinate overnight and then coat it with hot Cheetos. Could have made it more spicy. And you could use hot sauce as your wash. Yeah, buffalo or some kind of hot. I'm enjoying my little snack. Wow. Ooh, it is hot. Don't mind if I do. So overall, I would give this whole little meal a 6 or a 7. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed cooking with Kelsey. Should I call it cooking with Kelsey or should I call it Kelsey's Crazy Kitchen? I like Kelsey's Crazy Kitchen, but I think you should name it Kelly's Kitchen.
Girl.
Thank you guys so much.
She have a YouTube.
Watch her YouTube channel because she is trying to take over mine. This is my channel. Watch her YouTube channel. Go subscribe to my twin sister's YouTube channel.
Yes.
Show
My
her some
YouTube
love.
channel is
Shameless plug.
My YouTube handle is Kelsea Raé. It's Kelly with the I-E, not a Y.
Period. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you tried this or you're gonna try this. And yeah, that'll be all for this video. I hope to see you on my next one. Bye.
Bye.
We should have.
Period.
We should have. Period. This good. This wine is good.